almost to Eldon, Iowa, and I rescued a puppy off the side of the road. Found a place to put the puppy. And I'm also at a famous location. Famous if you're from Iowa, at least. Alright, I forgot to reset the trip meter this morning, but 860.5 is where it's at for the end of today, so I'll figure out all the math for that for today's mileage later. Well, I made it. I was across the street at Casey's, waiting in line with Pop and a slice of pizza for like 15 minutes, and I got sick of it, so I left. And as I walk out, there's like a domestic disturbance or whatever happening, and people screaming at each other. So I'm sure I'm gonna sleep real great tonight. And it seems like everyone in Keokuk just rips up and down this road in whatever crappy Dodge product they own or on their Harley. So this is my least favorite part of traveling and trips, is the hotel part. I don't really like camping either, and honestly, if I could just make everything a day trip, I'd do that, but sometimes you can't. So hopefully I sleep a little bit, because I'm exhausted and everything hurts. But tomorrow is a short day, so that should make it easier. And oh, after I got sick of waiting at Casey's and just left my stuff and walked away, I put money in the machine at the hotel for 1 Mountain Dew, and it gave me 2 plus a root beer, so balanced out a little bit. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.